Yay, Lucas! Oh, here he comes.
Look at his fat ass.
Oh, here he comes. Hi! How you doing? You ready? Hold on, let me get down there. Oh, hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. All right. You ready, Lucas? Whee! You got going fast. Oh, hi, Tickles.
Push it down this hill. That was a good one, too.
Yeah.
Hey, do it, Tom.
All right, boys, go on. Oh, Lucas, what do you think?
Right, you want to just give him a little push?
Oh, okay.
And I'll go down the bottom of the hill.
Oh, are we letting him go really on his own? All right. Ready, Lucas? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get it, babe! Oh, my poor baby! Daddy didn't catch you in time. Oh, we're not showing that video to Grandma. Are you okay? I know. What did Daddy do?